I'm Santina from WTI. So we were recently in search of a new USB-C charging cable, and we decided on this one from Anker. So this one has a lot of nice features that just makes it great all around. Of course, one thing is that it's USB-C to USB-C. So that is the way a lot of charging blocks work nowadays. And so many devices charge with the USB-C. So it's overall just very useful and versatile because it can charge so many things. But we also like how long it is. It's 10 feet long. So if you need to plug in and then work basically on the other side of the room, you have that flexibility. It also has this nice braided exterior, which feels really good, feels high quality, and it just feels like it's going to be protected and last longer. And of course, it also has this nice little feature where you can tie it together if you want to keep it a little bit shorter, keep it together without making a mess. So overall, just works really well, and it has a lot of nice features. And that's my point of view.